Welcome to our makeshift kitchen here at North Carolina A&T State University, where cooking is made easy. So blueberry season is coming, and we decided to show you a twist on the American classic grilled cheese sandwich. We have bread, cheese, spinach, balsamic vinegar, blueberries, and brown sugar. So the first step is to take half a cup of blueberries, and you're gonna pour it in your saucepan. I like blueberries, so I'm gonna put more than a half a cup. Next, we're gonna take 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Turn your stove top to medium heat and let the blueberries reach boiling as you stir. If the blueberry mix is too watery, you could drain the syrup. Once your blueberries are ready, you're gonna take it and you're gonna spread it on your bread, like so. Then you're gonna sprinkle your cheese on top of the blueberries. You can add more cheese if you want. And then we're gonna put our spinach on top of the cheese, like so. And then we're gonna put our other piece of bread on top of everything else to make a sandwich. Now it's time to toast our grilled cheese. Take a pat of butter, put it in a saucepan, and then wait for a few minutes to flip it over. I'm so excited to try this. Oh! Cheesy goodness.